Hello guys and welcome back to our channel, and if you are new to our channel, welcome. We are a family of three who are living in the province of Alberta in Canada, and for today we will take you to Radium, or the downtown of Radium. So the first stop we did is in this area. It's not very far, it's only like I think 5 minutes away from our campsite in the RedStreak Campground. So this is, if you're familiar with this, if you're a Roman Catholic, so this is a religious thing. In Roman Catholic believers, they call this the Stations of the Cross, and if you're wondering what it is, this is like a series of depictions of Christ's journey. So this is represents 14 key moments in the trial, crucifixion, and burial of Jesus Christ. So that's it. That's the meaning of this. So I Google it. So that's it, guys. And they have near church also here, the Roman Catholic Church, which is only 5 minutes away. Maybe that's why they put this Station of the Cross here, this area, since it's near. So anyway, guys, we're just wandering here, strolling because the weather is nice. Let's go, Kai. That bighorn sheep.
Hi.
Hi. Wow, you're kissing them? They're warm, Kai. And we're driving, guys. We're going farther near to the Radium Hot Springs, since they have the lookout there. They have the creek. So we can just go also there. That's the downtown. We have the shops. That's the church I was talking about. It's very near to their Station of the Cross. So not so much busy since it's not yet summer. It's so nice to see those grasses turn to color green. It's so refreshing. And the trees as well. And look at that clear sky. And the mountains, less snow. No more snow that area actually. But there are some parts of the mountains here that are still covered with snow. But yeah, it's really nice. Nice day. Those are the hotels that I've mentioned that are, some you can find in the Radium, and it's very near to the hot springs, the Radium Hot Springs. So I think if you're into for a stroll, you can just walk, since, as I've said, they have hotels that are very near to the hot springs. Before going back to our campsite, we stopped over to one of the gasoline stations here in downtown Radium. And then this one, they have a very nice setup here. They have tables that you can dine in, and then, yeah, of course, the chairs too that you can sit on. And they have even a swing, so it's nice. We just have a little bit of ice cream. And if you haven't been here in Radium, and then one day you will visit Radium, you will see this big art piece like right in the middle of the roundabout. So that, I think, is like a representation of the bighorn ships. Since Radium town, you can see many of those bighorn ships wandering. There are many of them.
Wow!
Yeah.
Wow. So many
sheep.
So many sheep.
Wait!
They're eating, guys, because they're hungry. They're looking for food. Yeah, they eat grass. Guy was so fascinated of those bighorn sheep. He wants to see more, but we have to go back to the campground, of course. So that was our way back to our campsite, guys. And those bighorn sheep also, they were there, so we are very lucky to see them while on our way back. We're here now, guys, and the gatehouse, as you noticed, there's nobody there. I think the campground attendant, they went home already. So that's it, guys. We're starting our night again, our evening. So this is our second evening here in the campsite in RedStreak. So Kai is just there. He wants to do his thing, and the rest is cooking our dinner.
Can you eat now? Whoa. You know how to ride a bike now? No? On or off car? Yes. Hello? Di ba yung home?
Oh, weird jacket.
Yeah, it's nice.
Weird jacket.
Hello?
Weird jacket.
Kai just had shower. We just had shower. Kai just had shower here in the trailer. We just brought water, hot water from the washroom area there, and then we gave him a bath here in the trailer. And then we have warm water there. So, we didn't run our heater, so we can save electricity. So that's why we just get some water, and to save water also. So we just get water there in the shower area, and then we give him a bath here in the trailer. But I and Rusty had shower in the washroom here in the campsite. So we have a hot shower here. Getting ready now for our bedtime since it's late. It's past 9. stayed a little bit late outside with our campfire. Right, Kai? Just gonna comb your hair, okay, Kai? Right there. Oh. Kai is ready for bed. You like watching yourself, no? Yeah. Feeling fresh na si Kai after a long day playing outside with the dirt. Right, Kai? You have fun with your dump truck, Kai? And your bicycle? Right, Kai? Yeah, you're riding your bicycle outside? Are we gonna sleep now? Yes? Aww. Say good night, everybody. That's the end of our video.